Good morning, my peeps. Good morning, and I love you. Happy Saturday. Already up and about, but let me tell you, I don't know if it's the prednisone or what, but I was up at 5:30 this morning and could not get back to sleep, which was in the end a happy accident because I was able to get up before the rest of the house got up. I paid the bills, I filed my taxes, I got some housework done, so all in all, very productive. Even got the sticker put on my tag, the registration sticker. So very productive. I'm out and about with Glenn. We're, paying some bills, running some errands, getting stuff done, and then the grocery shopping. I got to put some gas in old Molly here, and that's going to be our day. Once we do the groceries, I'll figure out more or less what we're going to do for dinner and get back to the house and then finish up the housework, and hopefully I'll get everything done today so that tomorrow, Sunday, I can actually rest and relax after church and after spending time with my babies that I miss so much. But anyway, guys, let's go ahead, get this day started. I'll talk to you in a little bit, and remember, I love you. I really should have taken a before shot because there's no way you can appreciate how organized and lovely that this pantry looks right now without knowing what it looked like before. But let me just assure you, it was hell on earth to get this thing straightened out. Got home from grocery shopping and I was like, I can't put anything in here. I got to see how to clear all this mess up. So Glenn's getting ready to grill up some bratwurst, and we'll have that for lunch shortly. Although it's so late in the day, it almost feels like it's dinner. All right, back to it. This is the Frankenstein job. Open it up, honey. Let everybody see your Frankenstein. But we got just enough grill to do these bratwurst. All right, it's cold out here. I'm going inside. What? He pulled it off with the Frankenstein grill. So now we're just gonna have some lunch, which is way overdue. I don't think we've eaten anything all day, but got a lot done.
That's my bed.
Try to take the bed. That's your old bed. Evil dog. It's possessed. Ooh. Oh. No, that one's mine. Got it. Haha.
We're talking 3 million. Can you handle that? Complicated. It's viable. Contact me when you get the crypto.
And the rain continues, guys. Rain and cold, but it's been a good day. A good day, and I got a lot done. So what's left now is to clear all this up. I've got dishes to wash, all this cereal. Oops, that won't focus. Hello. There we go. That needs to get put away in these cereal containers that I ran through the dishwasher and got them all cleaned up. Just waiting for them to be fully dry. And that's going to be it. Almost 7 o'clock. The day flew by. So let me go ahead, end the vlog here, remind you that I love you, and I'll see you in the morning. Good night.